everyone, welcome back to my Skillshare project series. Today I am going to demonstrate task 33, which is implementing the product purchasing process using the PayHere payment gateway in my Skillshare system. So this feature allows users to securely complete payments and automatically generate invoices after checkout. Okay, then let's start our journey. Okay, now I am going to search some products and I will add them to my cart. Okay, I am going to choose this. Okay, then I search another one here. Okay, now we have 2 items in our cart. Okay, now you can see our subtotal is 25,000 and cost document delivery fee is 700. Why? Because I show it to you. In our user profile table of Skillshare database, address ID of Susi Anya buyer is 3 and Gashi Satmila instructors ID is 1. Okay, in our address table you can see Gayashi Satmila address and Susi Anya address both are in the same city. Okay, so in our condition, if both seller and buyer in the same city, its document delivery fee only cost 200 rupees. But in the different cities, it cost 500 rupees. Okay, now I am going to press this button, proceed to checkout. Okay, then you can see I am going to add my details. Okay, then payment approved. Okay, now we are come to our invoice page. We will talk about this programming part of this invoice page in my next video. So that is what I implemented in my task 33, and let's move to see my code structure. Okay, so this is my buyer dashboard.php file. Okay, now I will explain how the payment process starts. Okay, so this function is triggered when the user clicks the checkout button. Okay, and then it sends a request to PayHere process.php. The backend returns payment details and then PayHere.startPayment function opens the PayHere payment pop-up. Okay, so in our PayHere process.php, as you can see here, this one generates a unique order ID by combining the prefix ORD with a unique value from unique ID function. So it ensures every payment transaction has a distinct identifier to avoid duplication. And then here, this $sign payment object is created to send all required payment details to the PayHere during the checkout process. It includes transaction data, that means order ID, amount, currency, hash, and customer details such as name, email, and address. So PayHere can process the payment securely. And then the return URL and cancel URL control where the user is redirected after payment success or cancellation. Okay, then the sandbox mode is enabled for testing purposes before going live. Okay, then here okay, so in this function this runs when payment is successfully completed. So it sends the order ID to the server and the system saves the invoice in the database, and finally the user is redirected to the invoice page. So in our save invoice.php, after the payment, invoice details are stored in the database. So this includes subtotal, delivery fee, total amount, and then invoice items are also saved separately. Okay, then here again in our buyer dashboard.php file, if the user cancels the payment, a message is shown. If an error occurs, it is also displayed, and this improves user experience and system reliability. So in conclusion, the system integrates PayHere for secure payments, automatically processes orders, generates invoices after payment, and handles errors effectively. So this ensures a smooth and reliable purchasing experience for users. And thank you so much for watching my implementation of task 33, and hope to see you in my next video.